Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are moving the pigs to their permanent enclosure today. We're just enticing them with some food and getting them right in there. The electric fences have been really hard to upkeep now that it is starting to get colder. So we're gonna put them in their permanent enclosures, and next month we are going to put them together in the same ones so that they can breed. And we're moving Ursula. Come on, big.
The piggies. The Mr. Piggies.
Yeah, big.
Got them?
Yeah, big. Yeah, big.
Hey, no fight.
Yeah, big. Yeah, big. Yeah, big. Oh. That was pretty easy. It's really cold out. I'm hoping they stay in there because we're not turning the electric fence on. We're just going to be putting logs in front of there.